Hi, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing and first impressions and demo of this new disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit. And the reason that we bought this is because usually when you do a brake job, you squeeze it. So usually you use this tool to push out the brakes so that you can fit them onto the brake pads. In our Honda Acura 2014, which we're doing a video on, you can go check that out, this tool doesn't seem to work. Maybe you'll be able to fit it in. This one doesn't actually fit in, but assuming that we got it in, maybe we could push it out, but we're not sure if the brake needs to be turned as we do it. So that's why we got this special tool set, which will turn it as we use it. So let me just take it out of the box. We're not going to say too much because we're kind of rushing for time. We're just gonna unbox it, do a bit of first impressions, and show you how it works. So 11 pieces. It looks like it's all made of sturdy metal. Pretty standard. Comes with different sizes. Let's just take it out because the box isn't as interesting as what's inside. Okay, so this is what comes inside. We have different diameters for different uses. You can see each diameter has, these diameters have 2 pins. This one has only 1 pin. I wonder what that might be used for. It looks like you might be able to, it looks like all of them mount onto this plate right here using these 2 holes. Okay, and that will allow you to fit it into these slots, which I will do later so that we can cut it just in case. But so far, the tool looks pretty sturdy. It just works like a normal vice grip or lead screw or clamp. Okay, spins pretty smoothly. Comes with this plate. It looks like it has all the things that we need for this type of job. Let's give it a try. Alright, so overall, I really like just how good this looks. I like the color. I mean, most parts come like this. Some of them come with like stainless steel look, which I'm more of a fan of just the all black. It looks like it works pretty intuitively. You slot this over and, oh. What the? I feel like I just did a magic trick. Okay, you slot that over. This goes on top. Let me just make sure. Yes. You take a disc, and the disc, the one that you use probably depends on the size of the clamp that you're trying to use, to the size of the brake boot, I believe it is, that you're trying to squeeze out. So this one, because we want to make sure that has the best leverage, so we're trying to get it as far as possible from the center. This one looks like it should do the job. So we're going to use this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on here, screw this in. Oh wait, screw this in, which means that in order to screw it out, okay, I see how that works. That's very interesting. So insert that in here. Which will be better if I do this. Take it slow and easy. Insert it in here. Position the disc. All right, and let's start rotating it. Oh wait, let me move this out too. Wait. Okay, let me rotate this out. Okay, so rotate right or left? Let's try right. Okay, so it rotates it. Which one will cause this one to go up? I believe it's this way, yeah. Okay. Now, we should be able to put it around our brakes. Alright, it looks like these are flush, so we should be able to mount it around our brakes. Our brake pads, to be specific. Nice! And there we go. Oh, they're on nice and fine. And then as the car actually works, then it's going to come back and compress the right amount so that it can handle the brake pads. Awesome! That's really cool. Okay, so that was great. I really liked how this tool worked. I will say that I kind of do like the ratcheting tool a bit more. I guess the reason that this tool is used is just because of the way that's engineered. So maybe just as a tool in general, it's just made to solve a problem that was just caused by the design. But it does a really great job at solving the problem that it was made to solve. So we're going to do this on the other side, but for now, this is just a quick first impression, an unboxing and demonstration of how this works. So this costed $50, which I think is a fair price to solve this problem. You might use this on other cars. Most of the time I use this, so maybe we'll see if it pays off for itself. But for now, I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, look at the videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the reviews of other similar products to this, like the bolt type wheel puller set. Go check out my video on that and put it in the link description below, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman and signing out. Check out this video on replacing the brakes for this Honda Accord. This is a whole big set of videos, and I'll see you there. For now, signing out.